In this video, I am going to talk about top 12 free certification courses on data science and business analytics. And these all courses are offered by Simplilearn, Skillup. So let's start our first course. The first course that I'm going to talk about is business analytics with Excel. So this course will help you to boost your Microsoft Excel skills. And after doing this course, you'll be able to learn Excel analytics functions, Excel conditional formatting, pivot tables and slicer, scenario manager tool, solver tool, and goal seek tool. So here you can see this is the 4 hours course. After completing this course, you will get your free certification of completion. And if you enroll this course once, then you will get 90 days of free access. So you can enroll this course right now, and after completing this course you will get this kind of certification with your own name. So the second course that we have is applied data science with Python. This data science with Python program provides you with a complete understanding of data analytics tools and techniques. Now move on third course. It is introduction to data analytics course. It is 3 hours course, and again you will get your free certificate after completing this course. And this data analytics for beginner course is designed to offer a solid foundations for working with various types of data, like data visualization for decision making, data analytics in different sectors. Next course is data science with R programming. From this course you can learn data science with R basics in this program and become an expert in data exploration, data structures, and data visualization. Next course is Power BI for beginners. So in this course you will be able to learn many tasks like desktop layouts, BI reports, dashboards, Power BI DAX, commands, and other functions. Next course is Tableau Training. If you'd like to work on data science or some data, then you must do these courses. This Tableau is a popular data visualization, reporting, and business intelligence tool, and this is free Tableau course that you can do here. Next course is introduction to MS Excel. So this course is basically based on Excel, and it will make you expertise in this sector. Next course is introduction to data science. This data science course will help you understand the basics and how to become a data scientist in 2022. Next course is Python libraries for data science. This Python libraries free course will develop your understanding on how to perform numerical computation. Next course is business intelligence fundamentals. This business intelligence combines business analytics, data mining, data visualization, and infrastructure. Next course is introduction to data visualization. This data visualization course will help you to learn how to make sense of data by creating informative and engaging reports and dashboard. Now here the last course, Excel dashboard for beginners. This is a free course, and this course will train you how to build customized via various data visualization techniques. So all of these are 12 courses. So to enroll this course, you just need to simply click here on this Start Learning tab. So when you click here, then this will ask you to sign up for using your Google, Facebook, LinkedIn ID. So I recommend using your Google account to log in here. So click here, sign up with Google. Then just you need to simply put your mail address. Okay, after that you just need to simply write down your full name, select your country from there, just need to put your own phone number. Then you just need to simply click here, I agree to the terms and conditions. Then click here, create account, and your account will be created in this way. And thereafter you can easily enroll or start learning this free course.